No, you do it. No, go. Jump. Yeah, go ahead. You can do it. No, mommy's not gonna help you.
Just hold his hand so he can jump.
Jump.
Daddy's got you, baby. You can do it. Daddy's not gonna let you get hurt.
Move, Lukey. Ready? Jump to Daddy. Let go. Jump to Daddy. Jump. Oh, Matt. Ready? 1, 2, 3. All right, Lukey's turn.
Bless you.
Show him how you do it, Luke.
You gotta get up right in the middle of it, him.
Wes, come here.
Wes, go around, babe.
Wesley, come here, buddy. All right, ready, Lukey? Run, 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 jump.
Guys, I think you need shoes on or something. You're gonna trip over those pant legs.
Lukey, look out for Rob. All right, can you do it on your own now, Wes? Okay, go do it on your own. Luke, move. Look, he's having a hard enough time as it is. Don't you dare push him. Bend your legs, yeah. Then what? Oh, no pushing up there.
Wesley Cade? No kicking at him
Yeah,
either.
no
Wesley,
kicking
no.
Leg sweep.
Go, Wes, go.
Ready? And go and jump. You're waiting so patiently.
He
Go,
wants to
Wes.
jump to you. Say 1, 2, 3. Say 1, 2, 3, go.
You can do it. You can do it. Jump.
Not from there. I think he has your height thing going on. Lukey, stop. Lukey, no. You wait for your brother to go. Lukey.
Fearless. Ready? Jump. I got you. Do it on your own. Jump into Daddy's arms. 1, 2, 3. Jump. You can do it. Oh, good job, buddy. Go, Luke. Jump over, bro.
Wes, move, honey. Go around. Go to the other side.
1, 2,
Dad, you help
3, go. Ah!